Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
世界各地都有以猪脚闻名的店家，台湾则以屏东县万峦乡的猪脚街人气最旺了。猪脚与台湾人的生活密不可分，无论是去霉运、祝寿、过生日，都会吃猪脚面线。而客家人过年不可缺的年菜四文四炒中的文矿肉，一般是以3层肉为主。万峦这里是以猪脚作为食材，再以文的方式，以大锅烹烧、小火慢慢煮的手法来料理。
Hey, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
I'm Crystal Quimby.
Hey, Crystal. Always
Hi.
a pleasure to have you back here.
Thank you.
I'm going to talk about birthdays today. When was your birthday?
It was last month.
What?
Why did you not know this?
Wait, did I just miss it?
Yeah.
I am so sorry.
It's cool.
Happy
No
belated
worries.
birthday
Thank
to you.
you.
Here in Taiwan, there's a tradition, and Hakka people do the same thing too, and that is to eat pig feet and noodles.
Yum.
No, it is tasty. I
Okay.
love pig knuckles, but wait a minute, you're vegetarian. aren't
Yeah,
you?
a bit, yeah.
Well, you can have the noodles because the noodles signify long life.
Long life,
You're
okay.
supposed to eat it in one sip without breaking
Without
it.
breaking it, yeah.
Exactly. Now, if you want to have pig feet or pig knuckles, you should go to Pingdong County, Wanluan, and they have the best pig knuckles over
Oh,
there.
really?
In fact, during Chinese New Year, the Hakka would actually have a dish called wenkong rou, and the meat that they use there is a 3-layer meat, but they would replace it with the pig knuckles and pig feet here because Wanluan pig feet is so delicious. Well, getting back to the subject of birthdays, what kind of traditions did you grow up with?
We had the birthday cake, ice cream,
sure.
family gatherings,
Ice cream.
presents, and then birthday spankings. The
You
favorite.
had that. You're supposed to have one spanking.
One spanking per year, and then they always pinch you at the end.
Yeah, that's
for
right.
One more
oh
inch.
my goodness, I remember that. I
Yeah.
quit at 12, actually.
Yeah. Well, my family sometimes they still do.
Now I wonder, there's got to be a lot of other celebrations or traditions that other countries do for birthdays.
Yeah.
Do you know of any?
Yeah, actually, in Japan they have something called sekihan, which is sticky rice with the red adzuki beans.
Oh, Hongdo, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the red, is very lucky in Asian culture. And another tradition is in Korea. They eat seaweed soup, which is supposed to be really good for you.
Yeah.
And the tradition is that they hope it brings you good luck in the coming year.
That's right. Well, I know what to prepare for you for your next birthday.
All right,
okay?
cool.
Some seaweed soup,
You're on.
some red bean rice, pig knuckle, and noodles.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's time to bring Leo in to teach us how to say pig feet, 猪脚,
猪脚
猪脚. Then how about having a birthday, 过生日呢?
周赏夜
Hey, 周赏日. Okay, now you know that does really talk about Hakka. 俺只say张来了.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.